Hello, my name is Tanya Zyabkina, and today I'm going to talk about classification of clothing items. I have downloaded 1,300 images of clothing items from Nordstrom.com, which I manually classified into 4 classes based on the neckline of the item. For the model, the first step of the pre-processing, I'm resizing the images to the same size. And now I'm cropping them to a smaller size to isolate the neck area. So this is one of the original images, and here's the cropped image that I'm going to use as an input for the model. Here's more examples of the images, and here's more examples of the images. So after creating the data set with labels, I reshuffle them. I create a validation group of 20%. I use pandas to create dummy variables for the labels. And I use the VGG16 model pre-trained with ImageNet weights. I'm not going to change any weights of the original model, but going to add some layers to it, a dense layer, a dropout layer, and another dense layer. The activation function is softmax, and the loss function is categorical cross entropy. So after training them, then I'm going to do image augmentation using Keras tools to compensate for the small size of the data set that I have. So after training the model, I got about 83% accuracy rate on the validation data set. And here's a little function that I'm using to run an image through the predictor and see if it comes up with the right category. So let's change this and say, okay. So the predicted scores for V-neck, and it is in fact a V-neck. So let's try another one. The predicted scores is for scoop neck, and it is a scoop neck. So this concludes my presentation.